For the size, we have 2 meter, 3 meter, 3.8 meter, almost a 4 meter, and also 6 meter. For you see, for this one also, yeah, you have the protections over here. Yeah, the motor. Standard one, we are choosing KND. So you can, for this one is for the control cabinet, is we putting in the back of the machine. You can choose putting back for the electrical parts or doing a separate control cabinet. Both is okay. The work table is, if you need, you are doing the tube or pipe, you can have the chalk and the tube back together. That is optional, for optional choice. Yeah, the control cabinet, the same thing. You can put together with the machine. Spindle, due to your need, you can BT 30, 40, or 50 because of your drilling diameter request. You can choose. Yeah, the lubrication system. For the cheap convenience, we have do this guide over here. You can do the protection.